Hi guys, so here's a mini tutorial of how I created interactive video section on my last post. Some of you guys asked for it, so I thought to film the whole process and share with you. So let's dive right into it. First of all, create a frame. After doing that, you adjust the width and the height. Then you start moving your images inside that frame. Now, after moving the large image inside, you start adjusting the other images. Mind you, these images are inside a frame, so what we're doing now is that we're moving the overlay inside the frame, and we are adjusting the size of the frame and moving the frame inside the larger frame. I hope you understand what I just said. Then okay, so you move it inside, adjust the frame, then put it inside the larger frame. After doing that, then you add auto layout. After adding auto layout, what you want to do next is to reduce the opacity of the frame underneath. Then start drag another frame out of the primary frame. Then start adjusting the images. Increase the size of the next image. Then you move out that overlay that you moved in the other time. Move it out again. Then you start adjusting. Now onto the third image or frame, you adjust it again, increase the size of the width, then you move out the overlay onto the fourth. So that's how you're going to be doing it till you're done with everything. So now that we're done adjusting all the images, what I want to do now is to make it a component set. Then you start adjusting all the mini images in those large frames. Start adjusting all of them. Yeah, adjust them vertically and horizontally. So while we adjust the images, we also want to be sure that no small frame has an overlay. The only frame that should have an overlay is the larger frames, because that is where we want the attention of the users to be, right? So after doing that, we check from the beginning to the end again to be sure that we've done the right thing. Then after that, we switch to prototype. Then you connect the first frame to the other frame, then the other frame to the third frame, then to the fourth frame. There's going to be on click, smart animate, slow, and 1000 milliseconds. So after doing that, you connect. You're going to connect in the frame from the top to the bottom, then the bottom to the top again. After doing that, you copy the first frame, then you paste to replace on our main frame. Then we're good to go. That's all. So this is the end product. Thank you for watching. Bye.